Hi everyone and welcome back to Family Model Railway. Now in this video we're going out into the garden for the O gauge railway and I'm going to show you how we've decided to ballast the outside track. So I'm not going to keep you long on this one, it's going to be a short video, but let's get over there and see what we've done. So what we already have under the track is some shed felt, and we didn't quite look right, so we got some dark grey ballast and some light grey ballast, and we're using Gorilla Wood glue. But before we do this, we had to run a couple of experiments to see if the glue would work. So we put on the Gorilla Wood glue onto this bit of wood. Then sprinkled on a mixture of the ballast and just patted it down a bit. We then let the glue dry. Now this was a bit to see if it would last through some rain. Took it up into the shower. Well, I don't really need to explain what we did here next, it's quite self-explanatory. Where the ballasting does take a little bit of time, what we're going to plan and do is do it in sections. So when we're doing the scenery area, we'll also ballast that bit of track. So to begin with, we will start off at the farm area. Now, come back to a future video to see how that goes on.